This is Gary from CoolSmartphone.com, and we've got Suhail from HP, and he's going to run us through the HP Elite 3X.
So Gary, we have the HP Elite 3X here, which is a Windows 10 mobile device. It's really focused as the flagship enterprise device in the Windows space. What you're going to find here are some very high-end features. We've integrated an iris scanner in the front. We're going to have a fingerprint scanner in the back. It is IPS 67 certified, so it's waterproof, dustproof, really ruggedized for the enterprise environment. It's a dual SIM device. It's going to be globally launched. What you're looking at though is a device that has almost a 4100 milliamp battery, right? About 50% larger than the iPhone 6s, right? So a device that you can depend on and can last with you the whole day, right? You have two front-facing speakers, B&O, and 3 microphones with noise cancellation, so great for conference calling. The device itself is running Qualcomm's best-in-class 820 Snapdragon and 4 gigabytes of RAM. So it's really got the horsepower in it to really be a great device on the go. But our story here is this device can become your primary PC. As soon as you dock this device into docks that we've created, like the HP desktop, this becomes your full PC, and you get the full Continuum experience on the device. We also have a laptop, which is a shell, a laptop shell floating around here somewhere, that actually does Continuum, but does it in a mobile format. So now you can take Continuum on the go, right? You can be on a train or a coffee shop and still get the great Continuum experience and be able to use your phone and the dock anywhere you want. So it's truly trying to replace and think about how you could, do PC better, have a better PC experience. The final thing that we've done with this device is we've enabled basically enabled not just universal apps. As you know today, Windows Continuum supports universal apps. We've also enabled a user to be able to also bring not just the Continuum applications, but also their desktop applications. So with a solution called HP Workspace, you can also run desktop applications in this environment. It's the first ever for Continuum. I'm going to show you a quick demo here in a bit. But what that means is all the applications that you run on your PC, you can now run it inside of Continuum with Workspace. So I'm going to do a quick pause and see if I can jump in this video. Of course, early prototype.
As with every live demo ever.
So I'll try and power up a quick demo to show you how HP Workspace works. What you're seeing here is an HP Workspace environment. Familiar in the sense that it's like a desktop, but all this is working inside of Windows Continuum, which means that inside of Windows Continuum, you can have all sorts of desktop applications, and they're designed as an app store, so you can do one click and launch those applications. These applications launch just like your PC does. So now, for the first time ever in Windows Continuum, you have multi-window experiences. So I can have multiple windows running side by side, and I can have applications that are not universal apps. For example, Access, right? That I depend on a daily basis on my PC, but I cannot do on Windows Continuum. All of this is virtualized in the cloud, so we're using a really fast computer in the cloud to do this. So you get really good performance. At the same time, you get all of the apps that you want on PC. This is going to be a subscription that's going to be offered with HP phone and the whole solution. So we look at it as a bundle that we're putting together for you. So in the next couple of months, you'll start seeing pricing and official dates on how we're going to do that.
Cool. Have you got any pricing for the handset at the moment, or is that still unannounced?
That's still TBD. More than the handsets pricing, you're going to really see a bundle price where you get the phone, the dock, the subscription all together, because the goal here for us is to give you a better PC experience and almost next-gen computing experience more than just a phone, right?
And are you mainly targeting this business-to-business sales, or is it there going to be consumer sales for it as well?
Well, I mean, if you think of our strengths, right, we're the world's #1 business PC maker, right? We ship 2 PCs every second in the business world. So that's where our strengths are as we're going to start. We're going to positioning this to small, medium, and large companies and offer this as their next-gen PC solution. But as we do that, we are going to start looking at enthusiasts who are interested in this device. We're going to have it on HP.com if you're interested to buy it. But our key focus is going to be on those business customers and enterprise customers, because we look at this as an enterprise solution.
Cool. Thank you very much, Suhail.
Welcome.